Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley tuning in for the first time, and today we're going to be doing a start to finish slay featuring a water wave 24-inch 180% density 13x4 lace wig courtesy of Yolissa. That was a mouthful, but it definitely is the bomb. I am going to use two different products today that you may or may not have seen me use on this channel. This is the what is it called, Better Than Glue holding spray from Ming Lee and her Snob Life brand. It is really good, basically a glueless adhesive, and that is what we use to bond the wig down today. And then I also used this product. It's not new, but it's new to me. It is the Paul Mitchell Extra Body Sculpting Foam. Really good product. So you'll see all these two products, as well as everything else we used to complete this look. And as you guys see, this one gives good lace, good color, good body, good sheen, good texture, good length, good fullness. It gives everything and more. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your worries. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your worries. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your...
Let me level with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the chance. Maybe find us some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor. Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it more.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, I see you. My baby, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, oh, come to me, to me. Come to me, let's go. Come to me, oh. Fatumata Jambele, oh Lord. Fatumata Jambele, oh Jambele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again.
Okay, so I look cute and I really love this install. First of all, I did go ahead and play with the hairline a little bit since I pulled the put the wig on, and I did kind of like, you guys know, finessing and started just like pulling at the hair to kind of like get rid of some hair. Big mistake. I definitely did not need to do this. The hairline was already pre-plucked great enough that it would have been better off that way. So because I did that, that left the hairline a lot more thinner than necessary. I did kind of finesse it and go ahead and add baby hair, and I do like the way it came out, but this gives more of like the Instagram girl baby hair where it's very, you know, thin and sparse, whereas I kind of would have wanted it just a little bit fuller. So that is just me admitting to my own mistake. As you guys already know, this one came from Yolissa. The wig came in this dust bag. All the details on length and all that are in the description box. This is a pack of wig caps that came with the wig. They also gave this elastic band. They did also give a pack of lashes and then a pink baby hairbrush. So this one is a water wave 13x4 lace wig. It is 24 inches in length and 180% density. I'd honestly say I would have guessed 200. It's nice and full, and you guys know sometimes when you have a good length on a wig, it definitely won't give as well as it would if it were like shorter. So I do like the fullness on this one. You can try to do a half up, half down, or just other styles, and it'll never feel or give like thin or sparse if you